In this video we're going to be looking at the Airtame wireless presenting device. When your system has started up, you should see a screen similar to this. The background may look a bit different as it pulls in different images depending on in a random state, so just bear in mind that that box in the left hand corner is what you're looking for. So we need to have our device connected to that Wi-Fi network that's listed there. So for this example, it's the Hilltop AV at 2G, but your one will be different. And then the first thing we need to do when it comes to connecting a laptop is to go to that web address there, which is airtame.com/start, and we'll move to that website now. So as we move to that website, you'll see that it automatically detects which software you're using. So if you use the airtame.com/start, it will detect which operating system you're using, and then all you need to do is click the download page. If for some reason that the app that's operating system isn't there, you have got an option there to provide a different platform to download it for. But once you've downloaded that and installed it, then you should see this software should be visible on your PC or Mac. And then it's as simple as selecting the right screen that you want to project to. Again, just going back to that Airtame presentation, it says present to, and then it says there screen 1. So we want to be selecting screen 1, and we can either screen share or share a particular window. So if we screen share, then we will share our entire screen to our Airtame. So if we move over to our Airtame, it's exactly the same as we can see from one to the other. Or if we stop our screen sharing there, we can just screen share a single window, in which case it will ask us which window do we want to screen share. And so for example, we could just screen share our window there. So then going back to it, it just shows you just one particular window that we are sharing. There's another way to connect to your Airtame, and that is via an iOS or an Android device. The way to connect an iPhone to your Airtame doesn't require any passwords, any software or anything. You just need to make sure again that we're on the correct Wi-Fi network. So here's my phone. We're going to go to settings, and we're going to check that there we are on the correct Wi-Fi. So again, I've got a 5G network and a 2G network. It's important that you make sure you're in the right band. So in this case, it's the 2G network. So once I'm connected to that, I just scroll down from the bottom right hand corner, top right hand corner, and click this button here, which is the screen mirroring, and then I would choose the Airtame option, which would show up here in my screen mirroring. And finally, we're going to look at how to connect an Android device to your Airtame. So this is a little bit more complicated as Android implements its mirror casting slightly differently depending on which manufacturer phone you have. So I'm going to use the Airtame video to show you how this is done. So on most phones you will swipe down from the top and then swipe down further and select wireless projection. This sometimes could be mirror cast or can sometimes be wireless screen. You click the number of the device that the Airtame name, and then you might be prompted to enter a PIN. Click connect, and then you should then be able to mirror cast to your Airtame using your phone.